Now coming to the next question, that is question number 11. Okay, this is the analogy between the numbers. So here, as you can see, we have 9 89 is to 89, and then similarly 100 is to what. Okay, so as you can see here, 9 multiply 9 will be 81, plus 8 will be 81 plus 8 will be 89. Okay, so this is the relation between this 9 and 89. Similarly, 100 multiply 100 plus 8 will be 10,008. Okay, 100 multiply 100 will be 10,000, plus 8 will be 10,008. So the correct answer for this question number 11 will be option number C. Okay, now moving further, just try out this question number 12, 13, 14. Okay, and we will take your doubts if you will have. Now coming to the question number 15. This is find the odd one out. So as you can see here, this is option number A, B, C and D. 4 options are given, and we have to find out the odd option from the 4 among the 4. So let us check what is does any similarity is there in between this 4 option. Let us check. So this is M. After M we have N, but we are leaving that and we are directly writing O. Okay, and after that OP is continuous, and that after P we have Q, but we are leaving that and writing R. So we are leaving one alphabet here after M and after P, and this two O and P is continuous. Similarly, let us check here. So K, then L should be there, we are leaving that and we are writing M. Then M after M we have N. This is continuous. Okay, so M after N we have O, so we are not writing, we are writing P. Okay, so this is a similarity between A and B. Yes, we have a similarity between these two options. Now let us check R, then R after R we have S. Directly it is very clear that it is not having the similarity as other option is having. Okay, so this correct answer will be this option number C, RSTV, because there is no similarity between the rest 3 option. Okay, C is not having the similarity as the rest 3 options. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 19. There is a certain relationship between figure 1 and 2. Establish a similar relationship between figure 3 and 4 by selecting a suitable figure from the given option which will replace the question mark in the figure number 4. Very simple. Simply we have 1 figure 2, we have 3 figure 4. We have 4 figures here. Okay, so there is a relation between this is 1 and 2 figure. Let us check what is the relation. Okay, see, this is this figure 2 is the mirror image of figure 1. Very simple. Okay, then the shaded portion is upward. This square was shaded, now the trapezium is shaded here. The same thing we have to follow. Okay, and let us check. First what we will do, we will make the mirror image of this. Okay, figure number 3 we will make a mirror image. It will be like this, then small circle, and this it will be like this. Small circle will be here and small circle will be here. Earlier it was shaded here, now the shaded portion will be downside. Okay, so the correct option, as we can see among the 4, is option number D. Okay, this one is D. This is the mirror image, and the down this part is shaded. Okay, so now moving further, let us take next question, question number 22. Here select the odd one out. We have to again find the odd one out. Now G is which alphabet in the alphabetical series? A is the first alphabet, B is the second alphabet. Similarly, G is the seventh alphabet in the alphabetical series. G is the seventh alphabet in the alphabetical series. So we are adding 1 and writing 8 here. Now 8 to just 16. 8 multiply 2 is 16 and minus 1 is 15. So can you understand the relation? What we are doing? We are adding 1 in the 7. We are getting 8. Then multiplying 2. 8 multiplied 2 is 16. And subtracting 1. We are getting 15. Like this. So same thing we will check. Is the same relation being followed by the option number B or not? Let us check. In the same way we will find out the odd option out. Now H is the 8th alphabet. H is a H is an 8th alphabet. After it we have 9. Okay, then 9 to the 9 multiplied 2 will be 18 minus 1 17. Okay, so it is following. Yes, it is also following. Now check this option. This U is 21st alphabet, and here we are subtracting and going to 20 second means 20th alphabet. So this is not following. Again let us check. 20 multiplied 2 is 40 minus 1 is 39, but 39 is not here. We have 42 here. So this option number C is the odd one out. It is not following the conditions or relation which all three options are following. The correct answer is option number C. Now moving further to the question number 26. Rest question you can try by yourself and you can ask me the doubts. Now see here in the question number 26, if this square having this small triangles is related to this second figure, this related to this, in the same way this circle, how this circle will be related to the next among the four options. Okay, let us check what is the relation. First of all, as you can see here, it is having this shaded portion 1 2 3 shaded portion, and this first shaded portion is rotating anti-clockwise. Okay, in the same way this shaded portion is rotating anti-clockwise, this shaded portion is also rotating anti-clockwise, and two more shaded portion 1 2 is added to the figure. Okay, the same relation we have to follow. Okay, let us check. Okay, circle. Okay, so this will move here. Okay, this will be shaded now, and this will move here. This will be shaded now. Okay, in the same way this will move here, this part will move here, this will be the shaded portion. And one more thing, as you can check here, only this option number B is having this one, only this option number B is having this portion shaded. Okay, this portion shaded, and rest this is not having this portion shaded, this is also not shaded, this is not shaded, and this option number B is following the conditions of the question figure. So the correct answer will be B. Okay, now moving further to the question number 28. Select the odd one out. Okay, now this letters are in series. GHI, okay, UVW, okay, WXY, these are in series, but this KML, this is not in series. What is the series? K, L and M. So the correct answer, odd option, will be option number C. We have to odd one out. Now coming to the last question of this exercise, question number 30. There is a certain relationship between the pair of figure of either side of similar. Identify the relationship on the left side and find the missing figure. Okay, so as you can see here, the first we have is square and three small circles. Now this circle and squares are interchanged. The circle is bigger one now here, and the squares are smaller, three smaller circles. squares, 3 smaller squares. The same way, the triangle and square will interchange in that figure. So the square will be bigger and the 3 smaller triangles we will have, like this and like this. So the correct option I can see here is option number B. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.